Assalamualaikum my lovely viewers, this is Hello IT World Learning Tutorial channel for you. Today in this tutorial I am going to show you how to check memory performance in Windows 11. So for this case we will go to the task management, so that have the search option. When we click, so I have used it just now before, that's why it has been recently shown. Otherwise you can write the task manager and the click here. See here the things performance is here. So this thing we want to check the memory performance. See here the things. So in use compress, this form factor is ODIMM. Here this bit this MT per second had a reserve for 233 33 MB. This is the page pool, non page pool, this thing. So in this way we can check the memory, and the add above the corner of this side here this have 16 GB this thing. So thank you so much. In this way we can check the memory in Windows 11. Hopefully this tutorial will help you so much. Please subscribe this channel.